Hello, it's Jamaison with an unboxing. It's been a little while, and I ordered from my favorite Waterjet guy, Henry from SS Glass Art on Etsy, but not just Waterjets this time. Now, I did reach out with a custom request, and so that's what is in here, and I'm eager to show you, and it'll turn into a project in the next, I don't know, month or so. But let me show you some of the other things that are in here besides the Waterjet. So he has something on his site called Dumpster Diver's Delight. So this is just all sorts of ends of Vitrigraph, pulls and ribbons and such, and it's just, you know, scraps that broke or were not sellable, and so it's in a Dumpster Diver's Delight package. So I love that. That's pretty exciting. And then another one here, same thing. So you can see, you know, the different colors, and some of it's actually pretty large stuff. And these are the Waterjets. Well, they're all the same. There's quite a few in there, but I'm going to show you some of the Vitrigraph. Check this out. Neo Lavender Shift Tint. This is really kind of a ribbon. You know what? Let me carefully open this up. Wow. Check this out. So this is a flatter ribbon style. But look how cool that is. I mean, Neo Lavender, if you're a Bullseye user, is just cool anyway, and I am. Now, Henry does sell COE 96, but you're not going to get this Neo Lavender color in that, I don't believe. This is a Bullseye color, and man, those are absolutely gorgeous. So that's that one. This one's called Marie's Spring Garden. Look at those gorgeous purples. Look at that. COE 96 users, eat your heart out. These are, this is beautiful Bullseye right here. Man, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then Gold Berry Blast. That's got some beautiful pinks and purples in that one as well. Gold Berry Blast. What a name, because it really is very berry-like. And you know it's got that gold purple in there. Beautiful. Beautiful stuff. All right, now this is going to be boring compared to that Vitrigraph. Maybe I should have done this the other way. My daughter is a senior in high school, and graduation season is upon us, and so I reached out to Henry and said I would love a custom design, and sent him a visual of what I was looking for, and specifically the color, and he has delivered. So I am going to make graduation caps. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? So now the intent is I'm going to make, now this is deep red, and their high school color is actually maroon, but this will fire to be a little bit more like a maroon color. I'm going to make some dots in deep red to make the little grad cap button on the top, and I've got something in mind for tassels. So there you go. And there's just a bunch of them. They're all the same. So you can watch, make sure you're subscribed to the channel to see for future updates, and watch for this project in the future. So great work, Henry. Love it. If you're interested in Henry's products, I'll drop my link in the video description here on YouTube. Take care, everybody. Bye.